The GOMACO GT-3600 concrete curb and gutter slipform machine is a highly advanced piece of equipment that is designed to make the process of creating concrete curbs and gutters as efficient and precise as possible. One of the key benefits of this machine is its versatility. The GT-3600 can be used to slipform a wide variety of curb and gutter profiles, as well as other concrete shapes such as sidewalks, barrier walls, and more. This means that it can be used on a wide range of construction projects, making it a valuable asset for any contractor. Another key benefit of the GT-3600 is its precision and accuracy. The machine is equipped with advanced sensors and control systems that allow it to maintain a high level of accuracy and consistency in the finished product. This ensures that the curbs and gutters produced will meet the exact specifications of the project and will be of the highest quality.